This is a CADJPY. CADJPY from weekly chart is in downtrend. The MACD is under zero. This is also the 200-day moving average and the 50-day EMA on the weekly chart. So it's downtrend. But if you have a look at the daily chart, so the daily chart is the price breakout. This point is 83. So what I think is for the next couple of days, it could be heading up a little bit to back to the 84 here. So this is 100 points. As we talk about from the USD CAD, the USD CAD, so the Canadian dollar is a little bit strong now. So back to this pair, compared to Japanese yen, the Canadian dollars should be keeping strong and back to, so from this chart, it's back to 84. We can also have a look, is there any chart? Yeah, there should be a pattern as well. Like this here, this X, A, B, and C, this 80A, so 80A, yeah, around here. Yeah. So 93.80 or 83.80 or 84 around here. So this is 84.08. Now maybe not over 84. Maybe it is right here. Yeah. So next week we can just long CADJPY. But where to long? Selling this chart. We can wait for the MACD to come back, or we just long here. But stop loss, it should be below this level. Below this level. So we can just maybe come back a bit, maybe here, yeah, and then long. So CADJPY is uptrend. We can long for 100 points, 80 to 83.80.